Ciao! Welcome to a brand new series. The Daily Fill goes to Vietnam. Vietnam is slowly becoming a favorite tourist destination for Filipinos, and on this series we're gonna show you why it should be on your travel bucket list.
We'll show you what to do, where to go, and what to eat in Hanoi. Food and travel is your passion, then this channel is perfect for you.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get your regular dose of the Daily Fill. Come on!
How many minutes?
25 minutes. From Hanoi to Halong Bay, it takes you 3.5 hours, 172 kilometers. Traffic in Vietnam is very, complicated and very busy, right?
So this is day one of our Vietnam tour. Our first destination is Halong Bay. It took us around 3 hours to get here. We booked our tour via Klook. It cost us around 2,200 pesos.
Nice.
Our itinerary first is Halong Bay, and then after this we're cave hopping of some sort. We had an exquisite lunch earlier, which was included in the tour. It is breathtaking. Halong Bay is very similar to El Nido and Cuon in Palawan, but I must say that the water in Palawan is so much better. So, from busy and noisy Hanoi. Today is day 2 of our Hanoi adventures. What do we have in store for today, John?
The Haksun Bridge in the middle of Hoan Kiem Lake, Ngaksun Temple, St. Joseph's Cathedral, the hidden Hanoi tour.
Alright, we have a packed schedule for today, so follow us on today's adventure.
Just one.
Kainin mo. We are now here in Hoan Kiem Lake in the center of Hanoi, one of the major scenic spots right here in the city, and serves as a focal point of local life in Hanoi. Near the northern shore of the lake is where you can find Ngoc Temple, which was built in around the 18th century. You can reach the temple by crossing through the iconic red-painted Huck Bridge. St. Joseph's Cathedral, the oldest Catholic church in Vietnam, built in 1886. There are 4 million Catholics in the country. Hello, dear subscribers. So John booked us a tour in Cung. It's called Hanoi Hidden Tour. It costs 1,500 pesos per person, and what's gonna happen is personal tour guide that's gonna take us around Hanoi and take us to the not so common tourist destinations. This is the first part of the tour. We're riding a cyclo, and they're gonna take us to some streets that are much more interesting but not that known to most tourists. So we're just gonna go with the flow and see what this tour is all about. And so the hidden Hanoi walking tour begins. First, Tip took us to the northern gate of the Hanoi Old Citadel. Built in 1805, it is the only remaining external gates of the Wen dynasty. Not very far away from the northern gate is the Quabac Church. Built in 1932, the church is part of the 3 major churches of Hanoi.
For holy animals that denominate dragon, phoenix, unicorn, and turtle.
The walking tour continues to Cuon Temple, dedicated to Tran Vu, the deity of the north in Taoism. It's one of the 4 sacred temples that were built in 4 directions to protect the capital from malevolent spirits. Alright, so we're still continuing with our hidden Hanoi tour. We are now right here in the West Lake area, and we're gonna try Pho Cuon by Hom Mai Restaurant. And we are joined by our really nice tour guide. But they wash the cans. According to Tip, most streets in Hanoi have stores that sell goods of the same kind. For example, do you need decorative stuff? Then head down to Hang Ma Street. Kitchen stuff? Hang Luoc is the place to be. Wedding supplies? Then go to Hang Tan. just finished the Hidden Hanoi tour, courtesy of Ngoc and our very nice tour guide. The places that we went to are off the beaten track tourist spots. I did a really great job. It's a walking tour. You have to have endurance for this one. It's just nice that the weather here in Hanoi right now is very chilly, so hindi masyado nakakapagod. You'll be constantly entertained kasi every now and then there's something to see. The cyclo part, I can do without it. So now we're on our way to the Hanoi night market that happens only during weekends, and we're gonna try to do some pasalubong shopping and maybe try some more street food. So nakakatatlong blocks na kami at hindi pa rin kami makakita ng banti. Gutom na kami at pagod na. Now we're on our next stop. We're gonna go to Hoa Lo Prison Museum. It's our last full day right here in Hanoi, and today we went to One Pillar Pagoda, Ho Chi Minh Museum, Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, game to get your regular dose of the daily fill. Come on, diba?
Ano?
Ay, Xin Chao! Yung thank you.
Come on.
Ano sinabi natin kanina? Bell to get your regular dose of the daily fill. Come on! We are now right here in Hoan Kiem Lake. So we just finished the Hanoi Male.